Hey y'all, welcome back. This is what I'm working on today. So today I have a little Asian theme going on right here. It is a tabletop fountain with a bowl with chopsticks and the Pocky candy, the bubble milk tea. I have the top ramen socks and the red Thai curry sauce. So, yeah, I think that's cute. I like that. And then I also have this little cutie here. So, those socks, and it's two different pairs. So, there are the ring pop socks, and I'm trying to remember the cartoon character. I'm so terrible with this. And I know you know, so if you're watching this, tell me in the comments what character that is. Okay, my daughter used to watch it, and I cannot remember. I do not know the name of it. It's terrible. And then I also have the icy notebook highlighter and marker, and they are scented. Smells like blueberry. And I put a little notepad with a sticker on there with some ring pops. There's also a alien blanket in there, a 500 series puzzle set, art series puzzle set, and the wireless speaker. So that's for that one. And then this is Frozen. So Frozen comes with the 13-piece set. It's like Mr. Potato Head. So that's what it puts me in mind of. And I also have the 2 set of flavored lip balm, the Snowflake Bath Bomb, berry scented. There is a Disney Frozen character back there, and the bubble stick, and the neon bath drops, and we put some candies throughout. Okay, so that's that one. And then we have our Ninja Turtles. So here we have the Monopoly Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle game, as well as the 2-piece glove and hat set. And then there is the 24-piece kids dinnerware set, and there is the Kool-Aid Crew socks, along with some Kool-Aid candy, that popping candy, and some Tootsie Roll Pops. Alright. And then last but not least, so this one I'm just working on. I was getting this together. As you can see, I haven't taken that price off yet. So this is what I did. I found this at our favorite store, of course. And I already had this in my stockpile. So I have a lanyard, a neck pillow, and this is a towel that I made. Okay, so you know those bags that we use to put t-shirts in, and it has the seal on it already. You just pull the little strip off. I put it inside here. So that's a nice little set. And I'm trying to decide if I want to add something to this or if I want to leave it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think I should add something? If so, what? I'm thinking something simple. I don't think I need to put anything big in this. This is a nice little thoughtful gift for a Cowboy fan. So, maybe some lotion, some hand lotion, some hand cream. I want to keep it unisex. So, let me know what you think. Okay?